Today I'm testing this ISDT C4 EVO charger with a 1.5 volt lithium ion cell. Now the voltage was about 0.39 and it's jumped up to 1.5, but the current is really low. It's like 0.06 or 60 milliamp. The applied voltage here of 5.6 is a bit higher than expected. Ideally it should be around 4.9 or 5. Temperature's okay, 23 degrees. Ambient temperature is about 15 degrees. Okay, the current is picked up to 500 milliamp and the voltage is gone down to 5.2. So we observed that earlier on other cells. Well, the temperature's going up 40 degrees Celsius. The current's slowly dropping. The voltage is going up a little bit, 5.29. The temperature's going up a bit, so the thermomaster P3 is detecting 54.9, 55. Here's another cell. Voltage is about 1.1, which is what you get when it's discharged. Temperature's 16. And boom, let's start. Now that voltage is pretty low. 3.66. Now it's 5.1. Temperature is okay. Here's another battery, 1.29 volts, and it's detected NIM. It should switch to lithium ion. There we go, 1.5 volt. 5.3. So just checking what's going to happen when the battery voltage is below 1.5. So we've got like 0.39 and 1.1, 1.29 as a starting voltage, and the applied voltage here has been around 5.1 to 5.3, and the current hasn't been too high. So far so good. Trying a different power supply this time. We'll do the Apple 140 watt input, and the voltage jumped up a little bit to 5.4. It's a 9 volt input, and we're getting 5.4 here. So that's a little bit higher than I would want. So it's not really reaching 6.2 for the applied input voltage, but it's doing that spike thing again. Cool, so I think we probably need some more tweaks to the firmware to keep this around 5 volts for the input voltage, and the current seems okay. Here's that other lithium ion cell. 1.31 start voltage, 380 milliamp. Voltage is all over the shop. Okay, it selected 1.5 volt line, so now it's jumped into 1.5 volt line mode. Cool. Okay, so yeah, similar results as the previous video.